Hi my beautiful babies, thanks for tuning in for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a product review by a company called Novex Hair Care. They specialize in curly hair, but it's for all types of hair, specifically for curly hair. So they sent me a package to review for you guys. The product I'm going to be reviewing is their new line. It's called Mysticblack. This is what it looks like. Okay, and it says Novex #1 seller in Brazil. I'm super happy. Novex, thank you for sending me this. And it came in this cute little bag. Like, how cute is this bag? So let's get started. I can literally throw all my hair products in here when I go traveling. So this is what the line looks like. Oops, let me pull all three of them out actually. Well, all four of them out. This is the Mysticblack leave-in conditioner. So this is the Mysticblack hair mask. This is what it looks like. I bring the desired shine, I remove split ends, I cure the frizz, I undo the tangle. Hey! And this one is the conditioner. And this is just the shampoo. I'm so excited to see how everything turns out. So I use the other products that I have from them, but I have not tried these yet, so I'm super excited. So this is our time trying this product out, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion on how I love the product. I already know I'm gonna love the product just because I've tried their other products, and I'll do another video about that if you guys want me to. And yeah, let's hop into the video.
This feeling